How's it going, YouTube? It's Taylor from Lead Off Cards, and in this episode we'll be opening a 2019 Topps Gypsy Queen retail blaster box. Product I've never actually opened Gypsy Queen before. Seems like with this one there's a couple parallels, on-card autos, relic cards. The indigo parallels seem to be good, and then I think a couple short prints and parallels with no names or anything like that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. Helps to have something to open. Probably should have had some scissors sitting by, but there we go. Just popping it open. The retail pack has 47 cards total, 7 cards per pack. So 7 packs, and then 1 pack of exclusive parallel cards. So get this open, go over, pull out the packs. So those are our parallel packs right here, so we'll do those last. Here are our packs, and set that off to the side. So 7 packs of 6 cards per pack. The design is pretty cool. It's a lot different than what you usually see, which is a nice change of pace. Francisco Lindor, and then the backs don't have stats, just a little quick description. 320 base cards. Jaimar Gallardo, Michael Kopech, rookie card. Yu Darvish, Orlando Arcia, Scott Kingery, I know in the hobby version, a lot of people have been pretty disappointed with what they're pulling. The hits just haven't been that great. Lou Trevino, Justice Sheffield, rookie card. Blake Snell. And this is the missing nameplate parallel of Brandon Woodruff. Not numbered or anything, but that's definitely one of those parallel short prints, and I'm not sure what the odds of a missing nameplate are. Taylor Ward, rookie card. Jack Flattery. And let's look at the odds real quick. You guys can pause and see if it says a base card. Missing nameplate. So 1 in 28 packs, and then a GQ logo swap. I would have no idea how to even look for that, or what that looks like. I'd have to look, but we'll see if we get one. Go ahead and make a comment on it, and then if I see anything that we go back later on that I get, I'll go ahead and put a comment that it was a variation that I wasn't aware of. Luis Urias, rookie card. Tucker Barnhart. Trevor Bauer. Matt Davidson. That's actually a pretty cool looking card there, getting splashed with Gatorade, it looks like. I don't know if that's a short print or a variation. Lewis Brinson, Jose Abreu, Jacob DeRizzo, James Talion, Paul DeJong, and a Mike Trout Thunder. Looks like an insert. Tarot of the Diamond insert card. It's a nice looking card. Max Muncy and Mike Minor. Ryan McMahon, Tyler Austin, Ian Gomes, Brandon Woodruff. We'll throw that aside. That was like the missing nameplate. Jeffrey Springs, rookie card. Matt Olson, wraps up that pack. So we see the variation right here. We have the two of the same cards. One's got the nameplate, and then the short print / variation has got nothing. Zach Godley, Daniel Ponce de Leon rookie card, Marcel Ozuna, Gleyber Torres, Shane Green, and Edwin Encarnacion. Alright, and this is the last pack before the parallels, so it'd be cool if we got a hit or one of those indigo parallels, but it is retail, so my hopes aren't too high. Zach Greinke, Mike Clevener, Alex Bergman, D. Gordon. Oh, nice. And then a Gaze into the Future fortune teller Christian Yelich card. Flip it over. So the back there looks like. Yelich paired 36 home runs with 22 stolen bases in 2018, the season he would join Ryan Braun as the only Brewers player to go 30-20 in back-to-back campaigns. So that's actually a pretty cool card there. Mini card, fortune teller card, given that he's having a great year. And then a Albert Pujols. Just rearrange our hits real quick. And then we'll move on to the 5 exclusive parallels, differently labeled in the pack, kind of how Topps does regular ones. The parallels are usually in silver packs. These have the tan pack, totally tell the difference. This is the retail exclusive. I'm not sure if it's Target exclusive only or if it's just exclusive to retail. I don't know if Walmart does their own thing. If you were to buy Gypsy Queen from there, go ahead and pop this open. So it's a green parallel. Trevor Richards rookie card, Ryan O'Hearn rookie card, Blake Snell, Trevor Bauer, and Miguel Andujar, who is out for the season now for surgery. I think shoulder surgery. They announced that yesterday. So recap what we got. I think the best hits out of this pack would have been the Woodruff missing nameplate, the Christian Yelich fortune teller, and then the Mike Trout Thunder of the Tarot of the Diamond card. So overall, not too bad. I don't know if I would invest in more of these retail packs for these or not. I think hobby's probably the way to go for this. But thanks for watching the video. Go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Post a comment of what you've pulled out of here, especially with retail. I'm kind of interested to see if retail is a dud as well, like some people have reported that the hobby bucks are. Thanks again for watching.